Hey folks, here's a quick tutorial on getting started with Google Classroom. So when I signed in, I was able to sync my Google Classroom during the onboarding. If you didn't do that, you can do it from the Integrations tab up here. And once you do that, you sync over your rosters and all of the student work comes in with it. So I'll see here some Google Classroom icon courses. These correlate exactly to my courses in Google. When I come over to Humanities 9 Period 2, I'll see that there are actually some students, these are all fictional students, that have all been synced over from Google. And I also have my assignments. So down here, I have a CASP penny essay right here, where students wrote a persuasive essay on whether the penny should still exist. I'll click on it, and each of these turned in symbols over here with each of my students represents a submission that the student turned in via Google Docs in Google Classroom. So now I'll just come over, confirm the submissions. I can look in the rubrics library and find an SBAC rubric. I'll go ahead and click on this one. And I'll be able to set up the assignment details and start actually grading student work. And at the end of this process, I'm able to post feedback back to students via Google Classroom, either via Google Stream or directly onto their Google Docs. This is a quick primer on getting started with Google Classroom. We hope it's useful to you and look forward to getting your feedback. Thank you.